Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Docker Desktop on uninstall Docker Desktop on macOS. Start by quitting the Docker application. Locate the Docker icon in your menu bar at the top of the screen. Right-click on the Docker icon and select Quit Docker Desktop from the drop-down menu. Once Docker is completely closed, open the Finder application on your Mac. In the Finder menu, click on Applications to access your installed applications. Scroll through the list until you find the Docker application. Click and drag the Docker application icon to the trash, or right-click and select Move to Trash. Next, you'll want to remove Docker's configuration files. Open Finder again and select Go from the menu bar. Hold down the Option key to reveal the Library option and click on it. In the Library folder, navigate to Containers. Look for any folders that contain com.docker and drag them to the trash. Now, go back to the Library folder and locate Group Containers. In Group Containers, find the folder that begins with group.com.docker and move it to the trash as well. Return to the Library folder and navigate to Preferences. Search for any files that contain com.docker in the name. Afterward, open the trash by clicking on its icon in the dock. Make sure you are ready to permanently delete Docker. Right-click on the trash icon and select Empty Trash. With that, Docker Desktop is completely uninstalled from your macOS system. You may now restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. If you need to reinstall Docker in the future, simply download the latest version from the You have successfully completed the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.